The 24V DC motor is a popular choice among engineers, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts for its versatility and reliability. Whether you are building your own machine or replacing an old motor in an existing device, there are a few key things you need to keep in mind when working with a 24V DC motor. First and foremost, it's important to note that the 24V DC motor requires a direct current, DC, power source. This means that you'll need an additional power adapter or transformer to convert the alternating current, AC, power from your mains to DC power for the motor. Failure to use a DC power source will result in the motor not running or, in the worst case scenario, smoking out. If you're building your own machine as an engineer, you'll need to carefully calculate and consider various theories related to DC motors. On the other hand, if you're simply replacing an old motor, all you need to do is choose the motor with the right specifications to match the original. Now, what if you need to run a 24V DC motor with a 240V AC power source? In this case, you have a few options. You can use a ready-made 240V AC to 24V DC converter, which is a simple and effective solution. Alternatively, you can generate your own 24V supply using a step-down transformer and rectifier, or a switch mode converter. However, if you don't have access to a suitable converter or transformer, you can still run the motor off 240V AC by using a diode and a resistor or an inductor in series with the motor. This is not recommended unless you are willing to take the risk of smoking out a few things, as you will need to play around with the values of the resistor/inductor, the thermal rating, and the diode capacity to ensure that nothing burns out. In conclusion, the 24V DC motor is a reliable and efficient choice for a wide range of applications. As long as you pay attention to the input voltage and choose the right specifications, you can enjoy the benefits of this versatile motor in your own projects. If you need to run the motor with a 240V AC power source, be sure to use a suitable converter or transformer to avoid any damage or safety hazards.